What sort of things did you do today?
So for English, we was practicing on how to do a script, because tomorrow we're gonna do a script. We're gonna write a script.
Oh, okay, cool. What for Christmas? Is it gonna be a Christmas script?
I have no idea.
No idea. Okay, well, what did Daddy said he was gonna get ready before Christmas or for Christmas?
Oh, the motorbike.
Yeah.
So we can test it on Christmas Day.
That's it. Well, I managed to get it running before, so it's actually running now. Do you want to go on the field and try it out?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Should we get going then?
Wait, it's in the van.
It's in the van. It's in the back of the van.
Oh, can you record this on the YouTube?
I am doing that right now. Okay, let's get it out of the van then. Got everybody involved today. You've never been down here before? How long have you lived down here?
30 years or so.
30 years, you've never walked down here?
Yeah.
Here we go. He's going to have his first go. I think he should be okay. Did you know what to do? But put the stand on and come off it. That's it. Now if you come round here,
What's in there?
this is what turns the fuel on.
Ah.
So at the moment it's off. So if you just hold that.
Yeah, I'll hold the camera.
So when you turn it up like that, it's on.
Ooh.
Oh, really cool.
How much fuel's in there?
Does it not? These are your brakes, just like your quad. These are your brakes, that's your brake, just like your quad. That goes. Hold it again. You're okay? Slow it down. Good boy. How'd you find it? You've done really well. Yeah? Only fell off once, yeah? Let's go. You ready for a go, Ash?